Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with ZY EDC Haptic Coin Slider Clicker here with me for a review. And I'm gonna analyze the look, the sound and the feel of this fella. Three things, and also three things you don't have to forget, like, subscribe and leave me a comment down below. That was easy. Let's go ahead, check this bad boy out. It comes with this hard case, plastic padded, nice. Inside you're gonna find this pretty cool toy, guys. This is a combination of this is a multi-fidget toy. In this case we got a zirc accent over here and titanium casing. So of course you get a clicker right over here. That's all right. This thing is just unscrewing like so, as you can see, and you have the button right over here with the replaceable part over there. And this guy, it's very clever because it screws in on the actual chassis of the piece, and just it's like acts as a retainer for the button right over here. You see on this top side 4 slots for treats vials, which are going to be nicely decorating the face of this coin slider clicker. And then, as you can see, you have like 4 scalloped areas where you are going to be able to just apply your pressure. And as you just saw, this thing is it's a slider. So it can slide, but also can rotate. So clicker, slider, you have the haptic coin functionality also like there, but you just rotate it and you find a spinner on the other side. So you have spinner, slider, clicker, and haptic. 4, I said 3, but actually these are 4, and this is flying away. 4 function in the same toy, which is great. I love multi-fidget toys. This, you can see the structure. You get like a track right over here, ball bearing right there, magnets a lot, and this just goes like here. So haptic coin with a quite it's pretty quiet noise. It's not that loud. The click is pleasant, also not too loud. And the sliding function probably is the loudest of them all. The spinning, it's pretty silent. So very, very complex structure for this one. It's, I mean, it's relatively simple, like if you look at it, but the engineering, the thinking then that went into designing and developing this toy is just great. I love when the makers are sitting down on the table and trying to cram as much as fidget functions they can into one toy. And this is a pretty good example from ZY EDC. Pretty cool clicker. It's a spinner. It's a slider. It's a haptic coin. I mean, what else do you want more from a toy? I don't know. This is really a cool addition to my collection, and I wish it was all zirc, as you might know, but still it is a pretty interesting one for sure. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.